Beissbarth Wheel Balancer MT885P for professional wheel balancing. Fast, safe, comfortable. Special functions of the MT885P. Interactive operator prompts through most menu items. Built-in wheel lift from fast clamping of heavy wheels. Makes setting up and balancing large SUV rims no problem. Possibility of performing run-out and symmetry tests for diagnosing defects unrelated to balancing. Fully automatic logging of wheel dimensions for fast processing of different wheel sets. Concealed weight attachment. Special software calculates the position of the weights behind the spokes of light alloy rims. Pneumatic wheel clamp. To ensure high quality of measurement at any time, Beissbarth supplies a variety of professional clamping tools, such as different centering discs with bolts, combining for all rim types. Before the wheel is balanced, it must be clamped with the right type of precision tool. In the case shown, this is a two-step centering ring and a centering disc with 5 locating bolts. At first, the centering ring is installed on the shaft. Then the wheel is lifted on the shaft and fixed with a centering disc. With a pneumatic flange and the wheel lift of the MT885P, this is a simple and easy procedure without stress for the operator's back. The rim type and vehicle type are selected in the menu on the flat screen. In addition, the MT885P has memory capacity for saving data for up to 3 operators. The balancing planes for compensation of dynamic imbalance are defined with the EasyFix data arm. Then the process can start. An arched wheel guard protects against broken stones and dirt, which can be ejected when the wheel rotates. At a speed of 170 revolutions per minute, the high-sensitivity sensors of the balancing machine measure the static and dynamic imbalances. If the measurement is complete, the wheel stops automatically and moves to the correct position for attaching the weights. At the same time, the weights for compensating out of balance are displayed on the monitor screen. The only thing to do is put the weights on the EasyFix data arm. Then the data arm is moved inside in the rim. It blocks automatically at the defined balancing plane. Now the weights can be attached at the correct position easily. A test run confirms that the imbalance has successfully been compensated. For concealed attachment of weights, the number of spokes is selected in the menu after the measuring run, and any spoke set to 12 o'clock position. After pressing OK, the position of the weights behind the spokes is displayed. No new measuring run is necessary for this. Again, the EasyFix data arm stops automatically at the right position. Now the wheel can be removed from the machine in the same simple way. It goes without saying that rims of all kinds can be balanced with the MT885P from Beissbarth. The wheel dimensions are automatically read by the data arm and laser. All one has to do is attach the weights. In addition to the normal balancing function, the MT885P has a system for measuring the true running and symmetry of a wheel. The key to the perfect diagnosis is the exact laser scanning of the tyre surface. With this process, it can be found, for example, whether a tyre runs smoothly without mass imbalance or tends to get out of true on the road.